Good afternoon. I'm Sergio H. Benavides from the law offices of Sergio H. Benavides. We help people process their immigration applications for family-based immigration, and we also work on criminal defense in California. I'm doing this video today to talk about the recent proclamation signed by President Trump limiting immigration. And what does it mean? The proclamation was signed into effect April 23rd and is valid for 60 days, unless of course it's challenged in court and blocked by a judge. So what does it do, this proclamation? Well, first of all, it blocks people who are outside the United States from finishing their process in the consulate to come into the United States as a green card holder. So people who are currently blocked under this proclamation from getting their green card are going to be spouses, children, and siblings of green card holders and parents and siblings of U.S. citizens. Who is not affected by this order signed by the president? So first of all, anyone who wants to apply for asylum can still apply for asylum. Additionally, my reading of the proclamation says that family members who are abroad and who are members of a U visa applicant will still be allowed to come back into the U.S. to get their U visa. Additionally, if you're a spouse or a child 21 or under and unmarried, you will be allowed to apply for and get your green card. Other people mentioned in the proclamation who will be allowed to come into the United States are EB-5 investors, healthcare professionals that are coming into the U.S. to either fight COVID-19, the virus, or work on research related to that. So healthcare professionals like doctors and nurses. Visitor visas are currently not being affected, so if you want to come in as a tourist, this proclamation is not about you. Green card holders are not affected themselves. And then I want to make sure that people understand that if you or your family members applying for adjustment of status within the United States, not from outside. This proclamation is for people who are currently outside the United States. People who are applying for adjustment of status from within the U.S. are not affected. And then finally, there's a vague term in the proclamation that if your situation is in the national interest of the United States, then they can make an exception and process your application for a green card. That's not been defined, and we don't know what that means, but it's there. So I hope this information has been helpful to you in understanding the recent proclamation signed by President Trump blocking legal immigration for 60 days, but it can be extended based on his own interpretation of needs to protect the economy and jobs. In any event, if you'd like further information or to schedule a consultation, please give us a call at 415-867-5181 or pay us a visit requesting a consultation on the web. My website is www.yourfirstdefense.com. That's spelled YOUR1STDEFENSE.com. Thank you for listening and be safe.